Welcome to the course on linear and logistic regression using Python, where you will learn both the mathematical concepts as well as the implementation of linear and logistic regression models in Python. My name is Abhishek, and along with my co-instructor Pukhraj, I will be leading you through the course. As instructors, our courses have been enrolled by over 500,000 students worldwide. We both hold engineering and MBA degrees and have experience of data analytics consulting industry. In our experience, we have realized that a lot of the students and data analysts who wish to learn machine learning face difficulty in figuring out where to start. These two models are not too mathematically complex, and the results of these are easy to interpret. Therefore, we believe that these should be the starting point for such students. In fact, these models serve as the foundation not just for machine learning, but for deep learning as well. We have designed this course for such students who are beginning their data science journey and wish to have a career as a data scientist. If you regularly put 1 hour a day in this course, by the 15th day, you will be able to run both of these models in Python and use their results to formulate business strategy. We will start this course by setting up Python in your system and doing a crash course on how to do data analysis in Python. So if you have no coding background, this section will help you get comfortable with the development environment. Then we will quickly cover the basic statistical concepts, and I will introduce you to the field of machine learning. Next, we start with building a linear regression model where we will undergo the entire process of ML model building, which includes data pre-processing, fitting the model, testing the model performance, and then understanding the results to find out key business insights. Lastly, we follow a similar methodology for building a logistic regression model. The ideal student for this course is an existing business analyst or a data analyst who wants to expand on the current skills, or a student who wants to launch a career in data science. There are no prerequisites for this course. We only ask that you do practice side by side. If you have any doubts throughout the course, you can post them in the discussion forum. I will be personally solving all your doubts. So feel free to have a look at the course description, and we look forward to seeing you inside.